Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Gita Aulia dengan NIM 22111134, kelas 3B, dosen pengampu Ibu Yunita Nurpriyasari MPD. Baiklah, di sini saya akan membacakan jurnal bahasa Inggris yang berjudul The Contribution of Students' Linguistic Intelligence Toward Reading Comprehension. Berikut videonya. Result and discussion. After analyzing some qualified journals as the data of this research, the research found some results as follows. First, Mujono et al. 7 found that there was significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and the students' academic achievement. It was proven by the result of the correlation. Confidence was 0.662, which means there was a quite strong relation between students' linguistic intelligence and academic achievement. The participants of this study English Education Department students. It also found that linguistic intelligence gave strong effect on student English skills, including reading comprehension. It can be seen the data that linguistic intelligence gave 44% effect on academic achievement. Moreover, the research also found that emotional intelligence showed a weak effect on the students' achievement rather than linguistic intelligence. It can be said that linguistic intelligence gave significant contribution towards students' achievement in English, including reading comprehension. Actually, many studies also indicate some result of this study, specifically in reading comprehension. In other words, the students' linguistic intelligence more gave contribution towards students' academic achievement than emotional intelligence. Second, Rahimi et al. 13 reported that linguistic intelligence become a stronger predictor of student reading comprehension. Then, the participant of this study was 90 Iranian students who took English major. Practically speaking, it's also noted that linguistic intelligence was related with the student cognition, which was involved in their successful in reading comprehension. It also found that linguistic intelligence predicate the students' reading performance because intelligence and cognition are part of comprehensions. It means that linguistic intelligence is very essential in language learning because it is involved in reading activity. As it was discussed above, it is important for the teacher to make the classroom activity that is more involved with the students' linguistic intelligence so that they can improve their ability in using language. The study that was conducted by Dewi, it showed that linguistic intelligence gave positive influence on student reading comprehensions. From this study, it claimed that the students who had good linguistic intelligence tended to have a good reading comprehension. Intelligence tended to have a good reading comprehension because English language variable of linguistic intelligence gave contribution in improving the students' reading comprehensive ability. It was related with the previous study that linguistic intelligence become one the factor that can predicate the students successful in the learning a language because it involved the student cognitive process. In addition, it also found some indicators of student linguistic intelligence in reading activity. First, the student loved to read. Second, the student often spoke what they read. Third, they were good at spelling parents. Next, they like it playing word games and poems. Then the student can keep their book collection. Also, they can remember general knowledge, quotes and work easily. Next, they can explain and interpreting what they have read easily. Next, they can explain and interpreting what they have read easily. Last, the students have good knowledge about language using. Based on their indicators, it can be said that the students who have dominant linguistic intelligence have tendency to have good reading comprehensions. In other words, by having a good linguistic intelligence, it can increase the student ability in reading. Because they understand what they have read easily. Precisely speaking, the students and the teacher should be aware about linguistic intelligence. Thus, they can change their learning habit or learning style that is appropriate with their intelligence, so that their linguistic intelligence can be improved. Therefore, the teacher can create new ideas in teaching learning process and choosing the appropriate teaching material that fit with the student's linguistic intelligence. Fourth, Dewi and Wilani 15 attempted that there was a significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension. It was short form the count was 068, which means that linguistic intelligence gave positive influence toward reading comprehension. Moreover, the reader also explained that the student's linguistic intelligence can be seen through some following indicators. First, his students can read a story easy about their daily experience. Second, they can express their ideas clearly. Third, the students' heart rich vocabulary. Fourth, the students enjoy in reading many kinds of the text such a book, newspaper, magazine, etc. 5. The students can spell the word in foreign language easily. 6. They like it listening to a story. 7. They can do a storytelling. It can be afraid that the students' linguistic intelligence can be seen by their interest in using a language. Besides, in learning process, it is crucial to use the appropriate strategy based on the student's linguistic intelligence in order to achieve good reading comprehension. Because linguistic intelligence can reflect the students successful in reading comprehension. 5. Aulia and Wardi 16 found that there was significant correlation between the students' linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension, with the data showed that 14.56% of the students' reading comprehension was included by the students' linguistic intelligence, which means linguistic intelligence have contributed toward reading comprehension. Then, the participant of the study was 55 Indonesian students. It also mentioned that the students' reading comprehension will be improved if their linguistic intelligence increased. As it was discussed above, the students' reading comprehension can be improved if they develop their linguistic intelligence, because it can help them in using the language effectively. Thus, it is important for the students to develop their linguistic intelligence by following some activities that related with. Thus, it is important for the students to develop their linguistic intelligence by following some activities that related with language learning. For example, by reading a lot, writer a story, and related the story, also playing the word games. Words that they had heard from their classmates and the words that they had read from teachers. 6. The student had the ability in rating the party based on their personal experience. In line with the finding above, the indicators of linguistic intelligence can be seen through the student's characteristic in learning process. Therefore, it can be inferred that the students who have good linguistic intelligence tend to have creative thinking because they can read poems and read in front of their classmates. In contrast, based on Erliner et al. 6, it was found that there was a minimum number of students who had dominant linguistic intelligence on their study. Besides, the participant of this study was 38 Indonesian undergraduate students. Also, the writer mentioned that the aim of a study was not for generalization, but the result of this study was not for generalization, but the result of this study was shown by phenomenon in learning a language. The results showed some aspects of the student's linguistic intelligence. First aspect is the rhetoric, that is the ability in using the language effectively to persuade others act. However, the results showed that only 3 of 28 students who used the language effectively to persuade others. For instance, some students had lack of linguistic factor in instancy. Some students had lack of linguistic factor in persuading others and delivering their ideas in spoken and written form. It was found that the students still face difficulties in using descriptive and figurative language in order to deliver their ideas. Also, only one student who used it well when she wrote a poem. Fourth aspect is linguistic, that is the ability in learning the language itself. It showed with that in reading class, the students were active participate in asking the question about the word that they did not familiar. From the result, it can be seen that in reading activities, the students still had the curiosity in learning a language, even though they still face difficulties in delivering their thoughts in spoken and written form. Last, Reza and Tabrizi found the linguistic intelligence was the most significant predictor of the students' reading comprehension among the multiple intelligence types. It also found that the students with high linguistic intelligence were able to use the language effectively, that they were typically good at reading, playing word games, memorizing words, storytelling, and making poetry. In line with the finding, Hasnemi 19 also anticipated that linguistic intelligence made the stronger contribution in predicting the students' reading comprehension. In other words, the study should not ignore this type of intelligence because it influences their reading comprehension. In fact, the students still not aware about their linguistic intelligence. However, it is crucial for the teacher to give the chance for the students for develop their linguistic intelligence in classroom. For intensive by creating a learning strategy that related with playing word games and storytelling that involves the students' ability in using a language It also supported by Gardner in Arnold and Fonseca 20, who stated it important to know and develop the individual's different types of intelligence, including linguistic intelligence, because all the individuals are different to each other, that they have the combination of intelligence. Therefore, based on the result of the research, it found that students' linguistic intelligence gave significant contribution toward reading comprehension. Hence, the students should give more attention toward their linguistic intelligence because it helps them to improve their ability in reading. Baiklah, itu yang dapat saya sampaikan. Jika ada kesalahan, saya mohon maaf. Saya akhiri dengan wabillahi taufik wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jangan lupa like, comment, and share ya teman-teman. Dadah!